Property Disclosures, the Real Estate Professional's Guide to Reducing Risk. Page 24. Page 25. Chapter 3. Lead-based paint disclosure. Learning objectives. After completing this chapter, you will be able to define key terms of the Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act. Understand the essential requirements of sellers and lessors. Describe how the lead paint laws are enforced. Understand the new lead-based paint renovation rules. Key terms: target housing, risk assessment, lead-based paint, lead-based paint hazard, agent. The Residential Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act. The purpose of the Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act of 1992 is to protect families from exposure to lead from paint, dust, and soil, and to help educate consumers regarding the health hazards associated with lead poisoning. The law was also intended to correct the lack of information available to prospective buyers and lessees concerning lead-based paint in homes considered for purchase or rent. Approximately 3/4 of U.S. housing built before 1978, about 64 million dwelling units, contain some lead-based paint. The law helps inform about 9 million renters and 3 million homebuyers each year. Section 1018 of the Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act directed HUD and EPA to issue joint regulations and to require the disclosure of known information on lead-based paint and lead-based paint hazards before the sale or lease of most housing built before 1978. For owners of more than 4 dwelling units, the effective date was September 6, 1996. For owners of 4 or fewer dwelling units, the effective date was December 6, 1996. Note: the regulations do not require any testing or removal of lead-based paint by sellers or landlords.